Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions. Plug in and confirm the mic shows as the default input. Once done, open Ready or Not's audio settings and enable voice chat. Select push-to-talk if you want control, or open mic for continuous comms. Then make a short 10-15 second recording or use the in-game test. Watch levels and aim for peaks around -6 dB so your signal is loud but not distorted. This gets you into the game with usable voice comms now. You now set up controls and clean audio. First, bind push-to-talk to a convenient key. Don't use WASD or Essential Combat keys so you can speak without interrupting play. Next, turn on noise suppression and a noise gate. Set the gate threshold just above ambient noise so fans and keyboards drop out, but your voice remains clear. Once configured, join a live lobby and listen back. Tweak mic boost and sidetone until speech sounds natural and teammates can understand you without. You finish by balancing volumes and choosing the right channel for tactics. Reduce game SFX slightly and raise voice chat so orders cut through during bursts of gunfire. Use squad for tight coordination, team for strategy, or proximity for roleplay. If something fails, follow a quick checklist. Make sure Windows or console privacy allows microphone access, verify you're not muted on the server, and confirm no keybind conflicts with push-to-talk. If problems persist, restart the game and retest. Most issues clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.